Hi, this is Sarah Mikesell with the Pig Site, and today we're here with Dr. Keith Kinsley. He is a swine technical services manager at Christian Hansen. Thanks for being with us today, Keith.
Thanks for having me, Sarah. Great to be here.
Very good. And we're here at World Pork Expo, and we're right outside of the Christian Hansen booth. Tell us a little bit about what's new with your business.
Yeah, so Christian Hansen has a product that many people in the industry have been familiar with for many years, BioPlus 2B. We're in the process of rebranding that and freshening that up right now. Great place to do it at the World Pork Expo.
Very good. And tell me a little bit about the product.
So the product is a bacillus-based probiotic. We use it to help improve digestibility and efficiencies overall in swine production.
Excellent. And how long has this product been out there?
This product's been out in the marketplace for about 35, 40 years at this point. But there's lots of things that we're continuing to discover today. And so continuing to develop that message and keep that out forefront in the marketplace is important. Thus, we've taken on this branding endeavor.
Very good. And what does a product like this really mean for producers?
Yeah, so a product like this, bacillus-based probiotic, is intended to help these producers maximize the potential of their operations. So part of our branding has been predictability, flexibility, trustability, all those things that we bring from Christian Hansen and the products that we provide, helping you to maintain your operation as efficiently and productively as possible.
When we think about a probiotic, I always think about gut health, right? And that has been such a hot topic lately. I mean, the microbiome and all that kind of stuff. I mean, my chiropractor talks about that kind of stuff, right, for human health. But it's really becoming more and more top of mind for people, right? It is what's going on in that gut.
Yeah, it's so much more than just gut health, right?
Right.
The microbiota, gut health, digestibility, immune stimulation. There's all sorts of impacts that an effective probiotic can bring to help support to help support that animal's greatest potential and the population's greatest potential at the same time.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for all the information today, Keith.
Thank you. I appreciate the opportunity.
Very good. This is Sarah Mikesell with the Pig Site.